Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E2SA111. This is a 2002 Saturn L series with a 2.2 liter four-cylinder. We do offer extended warranties, 6-month, 1 year, and lifetime part and labor warranties are available to purchase. This vehicle has 195,675 miles. Its next oil change was due at 198,700. This was maintained by a local shop. It runs very nice and smooth, especially for the miles. Very nice. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E2SA111. Thank you and have a nice day.